TextAid has some awesome tools. To show you some of these tools, let me take you through some scenarios. Student papers. Full text documents are generally the norm in library databases. A student is assigned a research paper. First, the student finds an article in the database. The student downloads the article and copies the citation for the article. Next, the student uploads the article to their TextAid library. The student opens the article and clicks on the annotation tool, selects the text box tool, which is the T. The student clicks on the article and pastes in the citation. Next, the student uses the highlighting tool to mark up the article by using 3 of the colors to represent the 3 main parts of the paper. Yellow for the introduction, blue for support of the topic, and green for the conclusion. The student can now collect the highlights for use in writing the paper. The written paper can be proofread for clumsy sentences, typos, and possibly subject-verb disagreement by using the Listen button. These errors are generally detected by hearing the paper read out loud. Let's listen. This is a sample paper. It has a clumsy sentence form, a changed thought. It also has a subject-verb disagreement. You can now make your corrections. Dictation. Some students have difficulties typing. TextAid includes a dictation function. In new text, click on the microphone. Click on Start, and begin speaking. Let's use an example from part of the last stanza of The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost.
2 roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference.
Once you have finished recording, click on Insert Text. You may have to clean up the grammar and/or punctuation, but the large part of the challenge of placing the words on the paper is accomplished. Taking notes. Students love to take notes using their cell phone cameras. But how do they study these notes that are pictures? Download the picture to your computer, and then click on the Image to Text function. Choose the file, the language, and the folder. Don't forget to click on Save as Editable Text. Give the picture a name. Click Start. The picture is now converted to text that the student can modify. Distracted reading. Two tools that help distracted readers are the screen mask and the reading ruler. Click on Tools and then Screen Mask. Notice that it is a customizable window, and shades the area above and below the window. The screen mask scrolls with you. This is similar to cutting out a window on a sheet of paper, and using it as you move down a page in a paper text. To turn off the screen mask, click on the X. The reading ruler is similar to the screen mask. First, click on Tools and then the reading ruler. Notice that the reading ruler completely covers the area below the ruler. The reading ruler scrolls with you and the height of the ruler is customizable. This tool is similar to using a note card on a paper text. To turn off the reading ruler, click on the X. These are just a few of the fantastic tools in TextAid.